Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about the Windows 11 release date. Windows 11 was released all the way back in October 5th of 2021. So it's pretty much readily available for anyone that wants to update. And if you have Windows 10, it's a free update for every Windows 10 user. So if you have a Windows 10 and you want to know if you can upgrade to the Windows 11, well, rest assured, if you're already a Windows 10 user and have a compatible computer, Windows 11 will appear as a free upgrade for your machine. So yeah, if you want to upgrade to Windows 11, don't worry, you can whenever you want to, as long as your computer is compatible for it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.